Now, let's take a look at Object Tracker. The difference between Object Tracker and motion detection is that Object Tracker is powered by metadata. The metadata will be stored in LumiCenter database. We can always use that metadata to perform a second-time analysis. To configure an Object Tracker, we should also do it in Analytics. Select the video channel that we want to realize Object Tracker on. Click Create and select Object Tracker from the category. Wait a few seconds and the Object Tracker will be created. By default, the Object Tracker is enabled. You can also set some parameters of the Object Tracker. Click Apply to save the configuration. And now, since we have created an Object Tracker, we will be able to see the moving objects that are currently being tracked by LumiCenter. As you can see, the tracking results is definitely more accurate and more sensitive than motion detection. Based on the metadata of Object Tracker, we can create other sub-detection tools. For example, let's create a line crossing based on it. Now line crossing has been established, and let's set the endpoints of the rule. Click Apply. Now, the Object Tracker is ready to use. The metadata will be stored in the LumiCenter database. To use the metadata to perform a search, we need to go to the Layout interface. Select the video channel that we want to realize a search of Object Tracker. Click the search icon. Click plus button and select line crossing. As you can see, this line crossing is powered by metadata. Click the plus button again and select the metadata source, and you will be able to see that the Object Tracker is on the list. If you have Object Tracker and Neural Tracker, they will be both on the list for you to choose from. Set the range of search on the timeline panel and click Search. Wait patiently and you will see the results. Similarly, the object that's been detected is outlined with a red square. You can zoom the target as you wish, and now there's something more interesting. As I said, it is powered by metadata that is stored in LumiCenter database, so you can actually adjust the range or the detection rule in the search panel and perform the search again so that you can get the results that you actually want. In this way, you will have more flexibility in terms of the use of the metadata. And there you have the new search results. Metadata-powered Object Tracker supports more features. For example, you can actually filter the target type. For example, here we only want to search the vehicle that has crossed the line. So we just check vehicle and click search again. And now all the results will be based on vehicle. If you are using a metadata powered detection tool, you can actually use the heat map feature. If you use the heat map feature, then after the search, LumiCenter will show you the area that has the most movement. As you can see here, the area that is marked red has the most movement, while the area that is marked blue has the least movement. If you want to save the search parameters so that you can use it as a template, please do as follows. Click the blank field and insert the name that you want to give to this search template. And click Save. And now this search parameter has been saved. You can use the same parameter with other video channels. Select another video channel on which you want to use a search template. Click the search button and select the search parameter template. As you can see, the search parameter has been loaded, and you can use the same parameter to search on this video channel. Click Search. And now the search will be performed on this video channel with the same search parameters specified in the search template. You can also change the parameter from the panel and do a search again. These modifications will also be saved in the search template.